Welcome back. Um, in this video, we'll continue with the client service module. So we are going to move to annual medical check. We have talked on support messages. We have talked on upload staff list. Now we are moving to annual medical check. Okay, I need to log in again. Yeah, annual medical check. So this is where you activate and you see record showing the list of annual medical check for enrollees of various companies that patronize Novo Health Africa. So here you will see the list of companies. You will see the subscription, their necessary information, email address, and you are going to view subscription here. So you click here to view the subscription for this particular company. For example, this first company, if you want to see their subscription, you click here. So this will show you all the subscriptions available for that particular company. And here you can actually set your medical check date. So you can set the medical check date for the enrollees of this company. So once you set it, you set the date. So you pick the start date, you enter the end date, and you click on activate. Once you activate that, the enrollees of the company will be able to visit the hospital for their annual medical check. So that is the purpose of this. And then secondly, if you want to see the list of enrollees who have applied for annual medical check or who have booked their annual medical check, so you click here, it will direct you to a page where you will see the details of the enrollees who have booked for their annual medical check. And once they book, so you will also see where the request is coming from. So most of these requests come from the mobile app. Then you will decide maybe you want to approve or you want to disapprove. So you can approve it, you can disapprove it. So that is that on annual medical check. So the next item I want us to look at, we are going to come back to client service summary. We are also going to come back to client service report. So let's look at call memo. So call memo, this is just a record showing some issues that were discussed with various companies. So after the issues were discussed, what are the action points, what are the steps that are to be taken to resolve the issues. So here we have the filter. You can use the filter to filter the table. You can use this to add your report or to add your report. So you can pick any company from here. That's the company you want to add the report for, the date you visited the company, the issues that were discussed, and the action points that were agreed on. So for example, if you look right here, you will see the name of the company, issues discussed, and then you will also see the action points. You will see the date visited, the date created, and the status and the company's approval. So this still pending. So then you can actually view the details by clicking on this button. So when you click on that button, it shows you the details, and you can send form. You understand? So you can send form to the company, and you can also enter comment like this one that's yet to be sent. So you can see that you have the button for sending the form. But once the form has been sent, you can actually input your comment. So when you click on comment, so it will show you this, and you'll be able to enter your comment right here and update that information. So you can also use this search filter, this search form field, to actually search using the name of the company, as well as other details, other informations that are available on the table. So you can use the name of the company. You can, let me just scroll to the left side of the screen. So you can use the name of the company. This is long, very, very long. So you can use the name of the company to filter the table using the search field. And thirdly, let's talk about enrollment form. So enrollment form, so this enrollment form, that's where you confirm the number of forms that were given to you by the companies. So when the company want to add new staff, they usually give registration form to the new staff. The staff will fill the form and return it back to Novo. So any Novo employee that receives such form, they should be able to select the name of the company, the subsidiary of the company, and the number of form, the total number of form they were given, and they will just confirm and save it here, so that they can always go back to it to cross-check, to confirm if the number of forms they were given is actually valid. So that's where we are going to end this. In the next video, we are going to be looking at survey, we are going to be looking at enrollee refund, and we are also going to be looking at company request. So those three. Thank you.